Bonjour et bienvenue à Language Place. Dans cette leçon, on va voir comment conjuguer quelques verbes du troisième groupe à l'imparfait. L'imparfait is imperfect tense. L'imparfait. The imperfect tense in French. So in this lesson, we will see how we conjugate some third group verbs in imperfect tense. Dire, savoir, connaître, paraître, rire et sourire. Dire means to tell or to say. Dire. Savoir means to know. Savoir means to know. Connaître means to know. Connaître means to know. Paraître means to seem or appear. To seem or appear. Rire. Rire means to laugh. Rire means to laugh. Et puis, sourire means to smile. Très bien. So let's see how these third group verbs are conjugated in imperfect tense. Before we move on, what's the difference between savoir et connaître? We use savoir to express that we know something, especially when we refer to abstract knowledge or academic knowledge. For example, he knows mathematics, he knows English, he knows how to speak French. We use the verb savoir, savoir. But connaître is used when we refer to know as in having met something. For example, I can say, I know Michel because I have met Michel. So it has to do with having seen something, having met someone, something, or a place. So savoir is used to know as in abstract knowledge or mental knowledge, while connaître means to know as in you are familiar with someone or something. Très bien. So let's move forward to imparfait. Imparfait. How do we conjugate these verbs in imperfect tense? The first step is remember how it is conjugated in present tense for the person nous. So for dire, dire in present tense gives us nous disons. Nous disons. Nous disons. That is, we say or we are saying, nous disons. Savoir in present tense for the person nous, it is nous savons. Nous savons. Nous savons. That is, we know or, yeah, we know. What connaître? Connaître in present tense gives us nous connaissons. Nous connaissons. Nous connaissons. Paraître in present tense gives us nous paraissons. Nous paraissons. Nous paraissons. Rire in present tense for the person nous gives us nous rions. Nous rions. Nous rions, that is, we laugh or we are laughing. Sourire in present tense gives us nous sourions. Nous sourions. So here is how these verbs are conjugated in present tense for the person nous. Remember, whenever I want to conjugate any verb in imperfect tense, we have to first remember how they are conjugated in present tense for the person nous. Now here is the first step. What's the second step? The second step is remove ONS, 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 ONS. What remains is the base for imperfect conjugation. So after having removed ONS, we have DIS. That is the base for imperfect conjugation. So I write the base for all the pronouns. Il dit, elle, nous, dit, vous et il ou elle dit. Très bien. So what's next? I add the various endings for the different pronouns. So for je, I have AIS. Je. So I add AIS to the base. Je disais. And that is imperfect conjugation for the verb dire. Imparfait, I say, je disais, which means I used to say or I was saying. Je disais, I was saying. So what were you saying? Je disais, I was saying. Je disais means I was saying. Tu. I add AIS, which is the ending for tu. And that becomes tu disais. Tu disais. You were saying. Tu disais. For il, I add AIT. Il disait. Il disait. Now for elle, I add AIT again. Elle disait. Elle disait. For nous, I add IONS. Nous disions. Nous disions. Nous disions. We were saying. Nous disions. For vous, I add IEZ. Vous disiez. You were saying. Vous disiez. You were saying. And for il ou elle, I add AIENC. Il disait, elle disait. Il disait, they were saying, elle disait, they were saying. So that is how the verb dire is conjugated. The verb dire is conjugated. À l'imparfait. So let's see another verb. Let's see the verb rire. Rire. How is the verb rire conjugated à l'imparfait? How is the verb rire conjugated à l'imparfait? Remember, I said the first step is you remove ONS from the conjugation in present tense, and what remains is the base. So I have je ris, tu ris, il rit, elle rit, nous rit, vous rit, il ou elle rit. So what's next? I add the various endings. The various endings for the different pronouns. So for je, it is AIS. Je riais. Je riais, which means I used to laugh or I was laughing. Je riais. For tu, I add AIS again. Tu riais or tu riais means you used to laugh or you were laughing. For il, I add AIT. Il riait or il riait means he used to laugh or he is laughing. Elle riait. Elle riait. She used to laugh or she was laughing. Elle riait. For nous, I add IONS. Nous rions. Nous rions. For vous, I add IEZ. Vous riez. Vous riez. And for il ou elle, AIENT. Il riait, elle riait, il riait, they used to laugh or they were laughing. Elle riait, they used to laugh or they were laughing. So, the last verb for this lesson, let's see connaître, connaître, connaître. Before we move to connaître, let's quickly see an example. I can say, quand j'étais jeune, quand j'étais jeune, je riais beaucoup. Remember, we said imperfect tense is used to express things like you used to do something or you were doing something. So this is an instance for you used to do something. When I was young, I used to laugh a lot. Quand j'étais jeune, je riais, imparfait. Je riais beaucoup. Habitual actions in the past, that is imperfect tense. Quand j'étais jeune, je riais beaucoup. If I wanted to say I used to eat a lot, I would have said je mangeais beaucoup. Quand j'étais jeune, je mangeais beaucoup. If I wanted to say I used to dance a lot, I would have said je dansais beaucoup. Quand j'étais jeune, je dansais beaucoup. So let's see how the verb connaître is conjugated in imperfect tense. Connaître. Connaître means to know, as in I've met someone, something, or a place, a town, a city, anything. I've met that thing, so I know it. Connaître, connaître. How do I conjugate connaître à l'imparfait? Remember the first step. The first step is you remove ONS from the present tense conjugation, and what remains is connaisse. Connaisse. So that is what you write as the base for all the pronouns. Je connaisse, tu connaisses, tu connaisses, ils connaissent, elles connaissent, nous connaissons, vous connaissez, ils ou elles connaissent. So what's next? The next thing is you add the various endings. For je, you add AIS and that becomes je connaissais. I used to know, or yes, I used to know. For tu, you add AIS. Tu connaissais, you used to know. Tu connaissais, you used to know. For il, AIT, il connaissait, he used to know. Elle, the same AIT. Elle connaissait. For nous, IONS. Nous connaissions. For vous, IEZ. Vous connaissiez. And for il ou elle, AIENT. Il connaissait, elle connaissait. Attention, INC ne se prononce pas. INC is not pronounced. So try conjugating paraître, sourire. Ouais, paraître and sourire. Try conjugating these two verbs using the same method. Firstly, get the base from the present tense conjugation after removing ONS. Then add the various endings to that base to form your imperfect conjugation. That's the end of today's lesson. On est arrivé à la fin de cette leçon et on se verra dans la prochaine classe. Merci et à la prochaine.